Okay, welcome back. So we got a pretty good game engine right now that we can kill enemy, and then if we messed up and died, it will show dying animation. One thing that's missing is that we don't have an auto restart system. So why don't we make it so that maybe 3 seconds after you died, the game will restart. So let's do that. So first, we need a timer, right? We need to time things. So go back to your layout, right click, insert new object. Let's find a timer. Is there a timer object in here, or clock object of some sort? I don't see one here. Oh yeah, I think timer might be a behavior. Okay, let's click our player and then we add a behavior. Oh yeah, there's a timer here. Okay, so we have a timer behavior. So how do we use it? Go to event sheet. So when our player is dead, this is dead, right? Yep. Okay, so when our player is dead, we want to set the timer's alarm. We want to start the timer for 3 seconds, and then attack is like, what are you calling this timer? What's the name of the timer? We're going to call this restart. Okay, so we're going to start the timer restart for 3 seconds, and then if the timer is up, so we go back, so we go to player because the timer is on player, on timer, restart. We will restart the game. So we go to system, and then let's see, do we have a layout? We can restart layout. Alright, restart layout means restarting this current level. Okay? Alright, let's try this. We're gonna go attack our enemy. We lose 1. Alright, we restarted. Oh no, what is going on here? It seems like we can move, but our animation is not changing. I wonder why. So here's the reason. Seems like the games still think we're dead. That's why we're not changing any animation when we move. Why is that? Well, that's because when we started the game, it actually does not reset our variable. Remember, initially dead is false, attack is false, direction is down. But those didn't get reset. It got carried over from the previous game. So maybe we need to add a thing where it always reset the variable at the beginning of the layout. So you go to system, and then maybe at the beginning of a layout or beginning of a level. Okay, on server layout, meaning at the beginning of the layout, we are going to reset the global variables to the default value. And that should work. Alright, so we're good right now. Slice. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're good. So now we got our reset system working properly. Alright, this game is getting good. Alright, so right now we got a walking system, enemy system, and fighting system. Well, this is a role-playing game, right? There gotta be an inventory system, right? Like, how about we'll make our character so that it cannot use the sword unless you pick up a sword. That'll be a fun thing. Maybe we also need to have a message system. You know how a lot of RPG games you can talk to NPC. Maybe we want to read the sign here. Maybe it will show a message. Let's work on that next. So I'll see you on the next video.